Congratulations on your purchase of the all-new Hero Lectro E-cycle. My name is Pushpender and I am from the Hero Lectro E-bike team. I will now take you through step-by-step process and demonstrate how to unbox and assemble the bike all by yourself. Let's begin with the self-inspection of your outer curtain and ensure there are no physical damages to the box during transit. If there is a major damage to the box, contact the V-Care team for further assistance. Ensure the box is standing in the correct direction by aligning the up direction sign pointing towards the sky. Once the box is placed correctly, carefully cut the steel belt using a pair of scissors. Open the top flap of the bike and remove the saddle packaging support, remove the tire packaging support, remove the component box. Carefully lift to remove the bike from the box. Check the contents of the component box, charger and cable, left and right pedals, 456 mm Allen key, multi-spanner and owner manual. Make the bike stand on the floor using the side stand. Remove all the packaging and inspect for any broken wires or couplers hanging from the bike. If you have purchased an iSmart bike, RFID keys are hanging on the handlebar secured with a cable tie. Use the scissors to cut the cable tie and keep the RFID keys safely, as these keys are required to turn on the bike. Once the bike is unwrapped, RFID keys removed, pull out the 4 mm Allen keys from the component box to begin the installation of the handlebar. For installing the handlebar, hold the front tire straight and twist the handlebar so that cross mark on the stem of the bike is aligned to the center tread of the tire. Once aligned, tighten the left side stem screw using the Allen key. Use the same Allen key to tighten the right side stem screw. Installing the pedals, remove the pedals from the component box. Each pedal is marked R or L on the pedal axle. Align the right pedal to the right side crank hole and tighten the pedal clockwise. Align the left pedal to the left side crank hole and tighten the pedal anti-clockwise. Use the multi-spanner to tighten the pedals left side anti-clockwise and right side clockwise. Please be very careful during the step as you don't want to end up damaging the crank of your bike. Inflate the tire to the recommended pressure mentioned on the sidewall of the bike, 55 psi. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled your all-new Hero Lectro E-cycle. Let's learn to switch on the bike and throttle. Keep pressing the power button till you see the LED glowing sequentially on the side display. Select any of the modes, low, medium, high, and start using your bike as per desired mode. If you have purchased the iSmart bike, the bike need to be unblocked using the RFID key. Keep pressing the power button till you see the LED glowing sequentially on the side display. Touch the RFID keys to the RFID sign to unblock the bike. Select any of the modes, low, medium, high, and start using your bike as per desired modes. Once e-bike is powered on, you may switch on throttle mode by pressing the button under the throttle on the right side handle grip. Points to remember: we suggest to charge the bike for at least 4 hours. Remove the plastic strip to activate the automatic rear solar light. iSmart bike can be operated by using the Hero Lectro app available on the Google and Apple Play Store. For any further assistance, contact the Hero Lectro V-Care team. vcare@herolectro.com. Thank you.